Have you ever wondered how latex gloves, those handy tools in healthcare, food service, and cleaning, are actually made? These seemingly simple accessories are a ubiquitous part of our daily lives, often going unnoticed until we need them. Latex gloves are a staple in various sectors, offering protection and hygiene. In healthcare, they are essential for doctors and nurses as they prevent the spread of infection. In the food service industry, they ensure that our meals are prepared with the utmost care and cleanliness. And let's not forget about their role in cleaning, helping to keep our homes and workplaces spotless. Understanding how these gloves are made can help us appreciate them more. It's not just about the end product, but the fascinating process behind its production. So are you ready to pull back the curtain and explore the world of latex glove manufacturing? Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating process of how latex gloves are made. So, where does the journey of a latex glove begin? Well, it starts with a tree. But not just any tree, it's the Hevea brasiliensis, also known as the rubber tree. This tree is the primary source of natural rubber or latex. The rubber tree is native to the Amazon rainforest, but today it's grown in plantations all around the world, especially in Southeast Asia and Africa. So how does latex come from a tree? It's all about the sap. These trees produce a milky white sap, which is full of natural rubber particles. To collect this sap, a process known as tapping is used. This involves making a shallow cut on the tree's bark and letting the sap slowly drip out. It's a skilled job, as the cut must be precise. Too deep, and the tree could be harmed. Too shallow, and not enough sap will flow. This sap, once collected, is our raw latex. But it's not quite ready to be turned into gloves just yet. It's full of impurities and needs to be purified. The purification process involves adding acid to the latex, which causes the rubber particles to stick together and form lumps. These lumps are then pressed to remove excess water, resulting in pure, concentrated latex. And there you have it, the origin of latex. Once harvested, the latex is then sent to factories for further processing. Upon arrival at the factory, what happens to the latex? Well, here's where the magic begins. The raw latex isn't quite ready to be shaped into gloves just yet. It first needs to be prepared, a process that involves a number of crucial steps. The latex is first treated with a cocktail of chemicals. This isn't any old mix though. It's a carefully designed recipe that serves a specific purpose. These chemicals primarily enhance the elasticity of the latex, making it flexible and stretchy. After all, we want our gloves to fit snugly and comfortably, don't we? But elasticity isn't the only quality we're after. Durability is equally important. So the latex is also mixed with certain additives to improve its strength and resistance. This way, the gloves can withstand all the poking, prodding, and stretching we put them through every day. Once the latex has been treated and mixed, it is then left to mature. This maturation process allows the chemicals to interact with the latex, further enhancing its properties. It's a bit like letting a fine wine breathe. The latex is then thoroughly stirred, ensuring the chemicals are evenly distributed. This gives us a uniform product, where every square inch of the glove will have the same quality and durability. And there you have it. That's how the latex is prepared at the factory. It's a meticulous process, but it's all in the name of quality. Now that the latex is prepared, the real glove-making process begins. Ever wondered how gloves get their perfect shape? The secret lies in the use of ceramic hand molds, or as they are more commonly known in the industry, formers. These formers play a key role in shaping latex gloves. Each former is designed to mimic the shape of a human hand, right down to the smallest details. They are carefully crafted to ensure the gloves fit perfectly, providing the comfort and flexibility needed in various industries, from healthcare to food preparation and more. Now, you might be thinking, how do these ceramic hand molds transform into the gloves we use every day? Well, it's all about the dip. The formers are plunged into a vat filled with the latex mixture. This latex mixture, prepared with utmost care, is what gives the gloves their distinctive properties. As the formers dive into the vat, the latex clings to them, forming a thin layer that outlines the shape of a glove. But this isn't a one-time process. Depending on the thickness required for the gloves, the formers may be dipped multiple times. Each dip introduces another layer of latex, gradually building up the glove to its desired thickness. And it's not just about the thickness. Each dip also adds to the strength and durability of the gloves, making them resistant to tears and punctures. Once the formers are coated in the latex mixture, they're not rushed off to the next step. No, the latex layer needs some time to settle and dry. This drying process is crucial as it allows the latex to adhere more firmly to the formers. ensuring the gloves retain their shape. It's a bit like baking a cake. You wouldn't want to take it out of the oven too soon, right? And there you have it. That's how the formers play their part in shaping the latex gloves. It's a fascinating process, isn't it? But remember, the gloves aren't ready just yet. After a quick dip, the latex layer needs to dry before moving on to the next step. From wet latex to a solid glove, how does that happen? Well, let's delve into the magic of curing, the process that turns a latex-dipped glove former into a usable glove. Curing is an essential stage in glove making. The glove formers, now coated with a wet layer of latex, are transported through a heated tunnel. This tunnel, often referred to as a curing oven, is where the magic happens. As the gloves journey through this tunnel, the heat causes the latex to solidify. It's a bit like baking a cake, but instead of a delicious dessert, we get a set of solid, durable gloves. The heat helps the latex take the shape of the glove former, molding the latex into a glove that fits perfectly on a hand. The curing process is vital as it gives the gloves their strength and elasticity, qualities that are essential for their function. Once cured, the gloves are almost ready for use, but not quite yet. So what's the final step before these gloves can protect your hands? Well, after the gloves have been cured, they are not ready to be used just yet. The gloves are still attached to the formers and need to be delicately removed. This is done by a machine that rolls the gloves off the formers, ensuring a smooth surface and maintaining the integrity of the glove. Once they've been removed, the gloves are then washed. This step is crucial to remove any residual latex proteins and chemicals that may cause skin irritation. The gloves are bathed in hot water and then rinsed thoroughly. This process also helps to further strengthen the glove and improve its elasticity. After washing, the gloves go through a rigorous quality checking process. Each glove is individually inspected for any imperfections, tiny holes, thin areas, or any other defects that might compromise the glove's ability to protect. It's a meticulous process, but it ensures that every glove that leaves the factory is of the highest quality. For some gloves, there's an additional step: powdering. These gloves are coated with a fine, absorbable dusting of powder. This makes them easier to put on, especially in busy environments like hospitals or laboratories where speed is of the essence. And there you have it, a finished latex glove, ready to serve its purpose. So that's the journey of a latex glove, from a rubber tree to your hand. From the origins of latex, where we explored the rubber trees and their milky sap, to the careful preparation of the latex, each step is crucial to creating the final product. It all begins in the lush tropical forests where rubber trees thrive, producing the primary ingredient for our gloves. The sap, tapped directly from the trees, is then treated and prepared, ensuring it's just right for the next step. Then we move on to the glove formers, where the liquid latex is shaped into the familiar form of a glove. It's a precise process, where each former is dipped into the vat of latex, and a thin layer adheres to the surface, mimicking the shape of a hand. Once the latex is set on the formers, the gloves are then cured. This is where the gloves go through a heating process, solidifying the latex and giving it the strength and elasticity we associate with latex gloves. Finally, we come to the last steps. The gloves are stripped from the formers, inspected for any defects, and then packed ready for distribution. This intricate process, full of careful steps and detailed work, is what brings us the latex gloves we use every day. Next time you put on a latex glove, remember the intricate process it went through to get to you.